இங்கிலீஷ் டெய்லி படிச்சாலும் ஃப்ளூவன்சி வரலன்னு ஃபீல் பண்றீங்களா? ரீசன் சிம்பிள். ராங் பிராக்டிஸ் மெத்தட். இந்த வீடியோ கிராமர் கிளாஸ் இல்ல, வோகாபுலரி கிளாஸ் இல்ல. இது பியூர் ஷேடோவிங் பிராக்டிஸ் வீடியோ. ஹெட்ஃபோன்ஸ் போட்டுக்கோங்க, நான் சொல்ற சென்டென்ஸை உடனே ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்க. டோட்டல் 120 பவர்ஃபுல் இங்கிலீஷ் சென்டென்சஸ் இருக்கு, P1 முதல் C2 லெவல் வரை. இந்த எல்லா 120 சென்டென்ஸோட தமிழ் மீனிங் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கிளியர்லி மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். வீடியோ லிசன் பண்ணுங்க. தேவைப்படும் போது மட்டும் தமிழ் மீனிங் செக் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ இடையில செக் பண்ணாதீங்க. 120 சென்டென்ஸ் லிசன் பண்ணிட்டு இறுதியா செக் பண்ணுங்க. டெய்லி ஃபாலோ பண்ணினா இங்கிலீஷ் ஸ்பீக்கிங் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். வாங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். I'm trying to improve my English every day. Can you hear me clearly? Could you say that again, please? I didn't quite understand that. Give me a moment, please. Let me check and confirm. I'll call you back later. What does this mean? That sounds good to me. I'm not sure about this. I think I made a mistake. Let's talk about it later. I'm a little confused right now. Can you help me with this? I'll try my best. It depends on the situation. I completely forgot about that. That's not what I meant. Please wait for a minute. I don't have much time today. I'm getting used to it. I'm not comfortable with that. Let's find another way. I agree with you. I don't agree with you. I'll let you know soon. Thanks for letting me know. Everything is under control. I need some more practice. I'm happy to help. I'm getting more confident day by day. Let's figure out what went wrong. That makes sense to me. I wasn't expecting that. We need to talk about this. I'll take care of it. Let's keep it simple. I see what you mean. I'm not convinced yet. That's easier said than done. I need some time to think. Let's focus on the main issue. I really appreciate your help. This is not working properly. I'll look into it. We're running out of time. That's a good point. Let's not rush the decision. I'm open to suggestions. I'll make sure it's done. This could be a problem later. I wasn't aware of that. Let's double-check everything. I'll keep you updated. That's not my responsibility. We need a better solution. I'll handle it carefully. Let's move on. Thanks for pointing that out. I think we're on the right track. I'd like to clarify one thing. From my perspective, this is workable. Let's look at the bigger picture. We need to set clear priorities. That's a valid concern. I appreciate your transparency. Let's address this properly. This requires careful consideration. We may need to adjust our plan. I'll take full responsibility for this. Let's avoid unnecessary confusion. I'd prefer a more practical approach. This is becoming increasingly important. We should plan ahead. Let's align our expectations. I'm confident we can handle this. That approach seems inefficient. We need to be realistic. Let's keep everyone informed. This will have a major impact. I'd appreciate your feedback. Let's streamline the process. This discussion is very productive. We must ensure consistency. I'm willing to compromise. Let's resolve this as soon as possible. This aligns with our goals. I'll follow up on this. Let's move forward carefully. That's a strategic decision. Let's put this into perspective. This requires a more nuanced approach. We need to think long-term. That assumption may not be accurate. I'd like to challenge that idea. Let's not lose sight of the goal. This adds real value to the discussion. The situation is more complex than it seems. We need to strike the right balance. That's a compelling argument. I appreciate the depth of your insight. This decision has long-term implications. Let's approach this objectively. Execution will determine the outcome. We should remain flexible. This aligns perfectly with our vision. Let's refine the strategy further. We must manage expectations carefully. Transparency is key to trust. Let's avoid making assumptions. The results speak for themselves. This has been a productive exchange. I welcome constructive criticism. Let's proceed accordingly. That sums it up nicely. We're moving in the right direction. Consistency is more important than speed. Small improvements create big results. Mastery comes through daily practice. Fluency is built one sentence at a time. இந்த 120 sentences ஒரே நாள்ல fluency தராது. ஆனா தினமும் practice பண்ணினா இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுற பயம் கண்டிப்பா குறையும். லிசனிங் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். ஸ்பீக்கிங் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா பில்ட் ஆகும். இந்த வீடியோக்கு திரும்பி வந்து ஷேடோவிங் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. ஃப்ளூவன்சி ஷுவரா வரும். இந்த ஷேடோயிங் பிராக்டிஸ் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்பா இருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க. சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பெல் ஐகானை ஆன் பண்ணுங்க.